Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we're going to be highlighting a brand new build on a 2020 Tremor. We're going to be taking this truck from the standard Blase suspension that they do come with and setting it up with a fully optioned 4.5-inch Carli kit. Alright, so this customer used to own a Ford Raptor and he wanted to step up to a diesel truck so he could tow his side-by-side and just have a more heavy-duty truck for around town even. Hauling things like that. The Raptor trucks are pretty soft. And so he bought a Tremor. After driving it for about a day, he realized the Tremor is definitely not a substitute for a Raptor, and he wanted some suspension that could go out to the dunes, could tow his side-by-side, could go to Home Depot and haul some lumber, things like that. He really wanted to build a do-it-all truck, so he brought it to us, and we optioned it with a fully optioned 4.5 Carli Pintop system. At the core of this system are custom-tuned coil springs as well as shocks, something very unique to Carli Suspension for a 4.5-inch Ford system. Very few manufacturers take the time to actually design, tune, and actually test drive a suspension setup so that the springs and shocks are paired together to work well both on and off the highway. The street ride on this truck is amazing, greatly improved over the factory Tremor package. Test drives before and after showed that pretty easily. So yeah, we're super stoked with this package. Again, this truck, we did all of the options. So the optional torsion sway bar, which helps smooth out the front end when going over driveways, anything at an angle. It helps cut down that side-to-side rocking motion. Also, this truck got the fabricated radius arms. The radius arms are an excellent upgrade. They do ride a little bit better, as well as are an excellent cherry on top to just round out the aesthetics of this package. In the rear, he went for the full progressive spring pack. Something that will give you the best ride possible, and then to make up for the little bit of towing capacity lost with the full spring packs, he actually went for the Carli long travel airbag system. So again, this truck front to back is a catalog, full build from Carli Suspension for a 4.5-inch kit. These 4.5-inch kits, in my opinion, are the absolute best riding systems for these trucks. A 4.5-inch system that can still swerve on the highway, can still jump into the dunes, yet still ride smooth enough over driveways, dips, things like that. These systems are really something that you really have to ride in to believe they're an excellent fit and finish. All around, these trucks are amazing with these packages on them. Obviously, with a 4.5-inch lift, the factory 35-inch tires that the Tremor comes with will just look funny. This customer opted for a 38-inch Toyo MT tire wrapped around an 18-inch Method NV wheel. A lot of guys will even try to squeeze 40s under this truck. Proportionally, you can get the best offset and the widest stance with the biggest tire. In my opinion, is going to be the 38. You can, crank it out just a little bit more than you can. Most 40s kind of have to tuck in really tight in the wheel well. Or if you're running a really wide 40-inch tire, you have to do a lot of trimming. So this setup, we actually did no trimming on this truck, no bumper relocation, nothing like that. These 38 by 1350s with the 4.5-inch back spacing Method NVs I think made this an excellent package. The black on black, this truck looks great. So for those of you Tremor owners who found the factory ride height just be a little low, and you still want to get that lifted truck feel and also an improved ride experience both on and off the highway, I highly suggest you take a look at the 4.5-inch Carli systems out there. Again, this is a fully optioned Pintop 2.5 King system. However, there are a couple options on the price tier, starting at Fox 2.0 non-reservoir shock, so you definitely don't have to throw as much money as this owner did in order to get your Tremor riding quite well. So yeah, for those of you who have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. We'll have links in the description for all of these components and how to purchase them. Comment down below, like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.